In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily planner using Monday.com. Whether you're an individual looking to organize your day or a team member striving to streamline tasks, this tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up a daily work schedule in just a few easy steps. First, we'll need to access Monday.com, so open up your preferred web browser and make your way to the Monday.com website. If you're already logged in, great. If not, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Now, as you land on the homepage, you're going to see a bunch of items and options, but let's focus on adding a new feature to your workflow. Over to the left side, you'll notice a plus sign. Click on that. This little icon is your entry point to expanding your dashboard with new elements. Once you click it, you'll be greeted by several different options. What we're interested in right now is the Template Center, so let's go ahead and click on that. Inside the Template Center, you'll find a host of templates designed for various needs. To make your search easier, look for something that says Daily. This is where you'll find all templates related to daily scheduling and planning. After you locate it, go ahead and click on the Daily section. Now, you are presented with several templates to choose from. We're looking for the Daily Work Schedule. Once you find it, click on it. This template is excellent for mapping out your daily tasks and ensuring everything's organized and efficient. The final step in our template setup process is to actually use the template. You'll see an option that says Use Template. Click on that button and voila! The template will now integrate into your dashboard, ready for you to customize according to your daily schedule and tasks. Remember, while using templates is a fantastic way to save time, they're flexible enough for you to adjust and modify as needed. So feel free to tailor it to fit your specific requirements or preferences. You can add new sections, modify existing fields, or even remove parts you don't need. The goal is to create a planner that works for you, organizing everything from your meetings and deadlines to reminders and notes. That's it. Your daily planner is now set up and ready to use. You can log into Monday.com anytime to update your tasks, track progress, and celebrate your accomplishments. I hope you find this guide helpful in navigating your daily responsibilities more efficiently. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy planning.